Welcome back everyone, Aussie Dad Life. Quick one tonight, cooking with Dad. Mum's at work, kids are a bit hungry, so we've got the one and only spaghetti. Alright, so I've got my pot full of water, salted of course. Got a half a kilo of mince, thrown in some chopped up onions. Chopped up mushrooms, and got some Australian crushed tomatoes, so they're going to go in there pretty shortly. Ready for this to get chucked in. Hope everyone's keeping well. And just some stuff on the channel. Having a look at the stats that YouTube's now providing me. 90% of you aren't subscribing, so I appreciate it if a couple of you could subscribe, get the channel count numbers up there a little bit more. You know, fresh new channel, only got a small handful of subscribers. Looking to make lots more content like this. You know, just little tips and tricks, things of having two boys. I tell you what, they've been nightmares today. They have fought each other all day, and I'm about ready to lose it. So after an early tea, they'll be into the bath and then into bed, because I have absolutely had them today. Now my pasta's in, better give that a stir. Alright, so that's all going around. Good to go. Alright, so as I said, that'll only take about 10 minutes or so for the pasta to cook, and the meat, I'll let that simmer away there and you know, sort of reduce itself. Very straightforward, very easy. Kids seem to love it. I think all kids seem to love spaghetti bolognese. I honestly don't think I've met a kid that doesn't like spaghetti bolognese. So yeah, and I think, you know, from a cost perspective, what, $8 for the meat, pasta $1, some mushrooms that we had left over, a couple bucks, and you know, a can of tin tomatoes for $1.50 or something. If you called it $10 or $11 to feed a family of 4, you're doing pretty good. So all up, very tasty. How much do you like spaghetti bolognese?
Really much. It tastes like pasta.
That's right, it tastes like pasta. All right. So we'll cut back and I'll show you what it looks like when it's finished up. Oh, you want to see too? So here comes the other one. No show without punch. What do you reckon? Hang on. Yeah, you can't touch that pot though, it's hot.
And the meat sounds like tartar.
That's right. Alright, hop down. Whee! Good job. Oh, my pot's over boiling here. Give it another stir.
Yeah. I put my hands like this, mate.
This is what it's been like all day. All damn day. Hey, hop off the bench, please. Come on.
I'm sorry, Mason, how to just jump off the bench. I just jumped in.
Alright, so here we go. 2 bowls of the finest spaghetti bolognese you'll ever get from a dad. Ready to go for the boys to hook into, with some good old tasty cheese on top. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.